Hello and welcome to another update video about ONDO. ONDO also has experienced quite a strong decline recently, as many other coins as well. Here on the ONDO chart, we are tracking here still this yellow scenario. The white one, which was more aggressively bullish, has been invalidated. And the idea is still that this yellow count, which we had on there for a deeper pullback scenario, this is still valid and could still allow for a bounce from this region, and the price could use the current support region highlighted here in yellow as a jump off point to start the C wave rally to the upside. Okay, so what is the overall scenario? This wave count suggests a larger diagonal pattern in which a wave 1 topped here in March, had a wave 2 pullback, which is however quite shallow. It's even possible to say maybe the wave 1 was here. It's not so important right now, but the support area is already being respected because the price did show a bounce, or is showing a bounce, from the 92.7 cent level, which is the 50% retracement. So we have a bounce from that level. And the idea is, okay, we had an A wave up, which formed a 3-wave top. Okay, this was only a 3-wave top. Topped here around the 3rd of June. And now this is obviously wave B of the larger third wave. And if things go well, then from here a C wave rally could start. However, the downside doesn't look finished yet. I mean, it reached the 50% Fibonacci level, and we have a resistance area here. And yeah, I mean, it can turn around at any point. It reached that 50% Fib level. But looking at the structure, we have this A wave down, which was a 3-wave move. Yeah. Then we have a B wave. Again, it's open for debate whether the B wave topped here or here. It makes more sense here because then I have an A, B, C, and now we're moving down in wave C. Or that B wave was actually a triangle, which is possible as well, but it wouldn't make a great difference. But then if I have a triangle, then it would also probably need to go a little bit lower because we're dealing with an ABC structure where normally the C wave to the downside would reach the 100% extension of the initial A wave. It's not an absolute must, but it is quite common. And I really only have seen very rarely C waves that didn't get there. It's either the 100% extension or even a little bit longer. And yeah, that would take us to round about 87 point, 1 second, a little lower. Sort of, yeah, 87.5 cents pretty much. So we're not quite there. We came very close though. And the next, let's say, support level, so beyond that, would be at 83 cents. So we've got 87.3 cents and 83 cents next. It's not only the 100% Fib extension, it's also the microstructure. As you can see, we only have 3 waves down from that B wave top. And with only 3 waves down, it could just be a WXY structure maybe, but these are not so common. So if it's an ABC, then it might need one more low, and that one more low could hit the area between sort of 87.3 to maybe 83 cents. However, if we see a break above resistance, then this would indicate it's too high for a 4th wave. So if it's a 4th wave, it shouldn't really break above $1.09. At least we shouldn't get a sustained break above that level. We've got here the $1.01 level, $1.05, $1.09. These are the next key resistance levels. And the price so far hasn't been able to break above, not above $1.09, of course, but we've reached resistance. So it's just worth, I think, watching that $1.09 level, that 61.8 retracement there. Anything above it, you know, any break above it could also mean that we're attacking the trend line. And then obviously, you know, that's where the confirmation process of the next rally to the upside begins. That's my update about ONDO. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.